Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I am Muhammad Irfan Permana and my friend.
And I, Ardiansa Prabadikadi.
Today we will be giving a presentation on the existence of animals in life.
In this presentation, we will discuss the role of animal in the ecosystem, the Islamic view of animal, and the importance of preserving them.
Introduction. Animals are an integral part of life on Earth, and they play a very important role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. However, many species are currently facing the threat of extinction due to poaching, deforestation, and climate change. In addition, in Islam, animals also have a special position. The Quran mentions many verses about animals, showing that they are not just ordinary living creatures, but also part of the scenes of Allah's greatness. Quranic perspective on animals. In the Quran, animals are mentioned in various verses. One of them is in Surah Al-An'am, verse 38, verse 38, and there is not a beast on earth nor a bird that flies on its two wings, but they are an ummah, community like you. This verse shows that animals also have their own communities and life system, just like humans. It confirms that animals have roles and rights that humans should respect. Animals as a sign of Allah's greatness. Allah created animals with an incredible variety of uniques. In Surah Al-Jathiyah, verse 4, it's mentioned that the signs of Allah's greatness can be seen in living creatures. Let us look at some examples. Bats, which use a solar navigation system to move in the dark. Bees, which have a highly organized social system and produce honey that is beneficial to humans. Camels, which are able to survive in the desert by storing water reserve in their bodies. All that are proof of the greatness and wonder of Allah's creation.
And then is the role of animal in ecosystem. Animal play an important role in maintaining the balance of the environment. For example, predator like tiger and wolves help control prey population. And then insect like bees and butterfly help pollinate plants, which is vital for food production. If one species gets extinct, the entire ecosystem can be destroyed. A clear example is the orangutan, whose habitat is increasingly threatened by deforestation. Their loss will impact the rainforest ecosystem. Okay. And then it's animal in worship. In Islam, animals also have a role in worship. For example, animal sacrifice on Eid al-Adha, as mentioned in Surah Al-Hajj, verse 34. Zakat on livestock, which show that animal ownership also has social and economic aspect in Islam. In addition, Islam strongly emphasizes compassion towards animal. The Prophet Muhammad SAW said that one can go to heaven for giving a thirsty dog a drink, and conversely, one can go to hell for torturing a cat. Next is animal as a parable for human. In some verses, the Quran also uses animal as parables for humans. In Surah Al-A'raf, verse 179, it is mentioned that there are humans who are like animal, even more misguided, because they do not use their minds and heart properly. It is a reminder for all of us to always think, reflect, and do good in life. And the last is conclusion. From this discussion, we can draw some conclusion. One is animals are an important part of the ecosystem balance and have a role in human life. Two is Islam emphasizes the importance of respecting and taking care of animals, both in daily life and in worship. Three is humans have a responsibility to preserve animals so that the balance of natural is maintained. Therefore, let us care about animals, both by not exploiting them and by supporting conservation efforts, because taking care of animals also means taking care of our own life.
That's all for our presentation. If you have any question, I will be happy to answer. Thank you.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.